Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to block a contact on Viber. Now, if you want to block somebody on Viber on your contacts list, it's quite easy. So once you are in your Viber account right here, you want to go to the three dots or more option on the lower right corner of your screen. So tap on this. You're going to be on your profile. So here you want to tap on settings. So you can see here on the bottom corner of our screen like so. Once you are in your settings, you want to tap on privacy. So when you tap on privacy, you can scroll down to the very bottom. You're going to see block list here. So you want to tap on block list like so. Once you are in your block list, you're going to see, as you can see, we don't have anybody blocked, but you're going to see a check mark on the upper right corner like so. If you click on that, you can just enter a name or a number of people that we can block or you want to block. For example, you want to block this person. It's checked, and then just tap on the check mark on the upper right corner, and then as you can see here, this user is now blocked. Now, if you want to unblock, just tap on unblock, and it'll be unblocked. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.